Hi, I'm Rinku Sarkar with Websense Product Management. The following video explains how to best use or configure one or more Websense solutions.
Thanks, Rinku, and I'm Kay Zimmer with Websense Engineering. Today we'll go over how to add sync service and directory agent to your Web Security Gateway Anywhere deployment to enable hybrid policy enforcement and reporting. Before you install sync service and directory agent, review the Planning Checklist section of Enable the Web Security Gateway Anywhere hybrid service. The checklist provides guidance for deciding where to place these two components in your network. Because sync service and directory agent are typically added to machines that already have other Websense components installed, this video will focus on the process for adding components to a Windows Server, Linux Server, or Websense appliance. Since sync service is often added to the same Windows Server that hosts Log Server, we'll look at the Windows add process first. When adding a component to a server that already hosts one or more Websense components, you can rerun the already unpacked installation program from the Windows Server 2008 Start menu or Windows Server 2012 Start screen. Just select Websense Triton Setup from the Start menu or Start screen. When the installer loads, click the Modify option next to Web Security or Risk Vision. When prompted, select Install additional components on this machine. Then select the component or components that you want to install. When you install sync service, you are next prompted for the policy broker IP address. You are not prompted for this information if you are only installing directory agent on the machine. Verify your selections on the pre-installation summary. Then, start the installation process. Close the installer when the process is complete. To add a hybrid component to a Linux server that hosts other Websense web security components, simply run the installation script again. You can run the script with the -G parameter if you prefer to run it in graphical mode. When prompted to select the components to install, enter the number corresponding to directory agent, sync service, or both. As on Windows servers, if you select sync service, you are prompted for the policy broker IP address. Verify the component or components that you want to install, then press Enter to start the installation process. If you have a full policy source appliance or user directory and filtering appliances, it is a best practice to enable directory agent on the appliance, rather than running it on a separate server. To enable directory agent on the appliance, launch the command line utility from the Administration Toolbox page. In the command line utility, select Websense Web Security as the module, then Directory Agent Service as the command. Enter Enable as the action, then click Run. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.